Hi, I'm Andy Chamberlain from UVM Extension Ag Engineering. Today I'm going to show you how to clean one of these washing machine green spinners. Let's say it's coming out of storage or it's been more than just a couple of days. Let's see what a real thorough cleaning actually looks like. For this procedure, I'm just using an off-the-shelf dish soap, which is good for food contact surfaces. There was not too much long-standing buildup, so a sponge seemed to do quite well for the majority of it. A sponge did get caught a little bit on some of the screw holes, but for the most part, I'd say that was probably the right tool for the right job. So there you have it. That's about what washing out the drum pretty thoroughly should look like. Just takes a couple of minutes with a little soap and water. So since we're going into deep cleaning, I'm going to take it the notch further and get inside the catch basin behind this drum as well. So using a flathead screwdriver, pop out this key, carefully lift up the drum, and now I can clean out the catch basin. This looks like it'll take a little bit more scrubbing. Looks like some material is getting caught up around the drain, so I'm gonna have to take a small socket and undo that little catch cover so I can clean out the greens and it'll drain better, and I can finish cleaning underneath it. On this model, it's just a 1/4 inch hex nut. Just removes this little cover and reveals the drain. One final rinse. I'll reinstall this cap. Now you also want to make sure you wash the underside of the drum as well. This is part of what makes using a washing machine as a green spinner challenging, as there's a lot of nooks and crannies and hard to clean locations. I'd have to spend hours with a toothbrush getting it in here, but I'm not even gonna bother because I know no one else is gonna do that. But the fact that if you can get in here with a sponge at some point and clean it best you can, you're greatly reducing the filth and buildup and bacteria that is growing or that has the potential to grow. So you're still really reducing the risks, even if you don't get every little single last thing. So even though it's hard to clean, it's still valuable to do the best you can. Don't cut yourself on any of this sharp metal. These holes are stamped through, so kind of sharp edge. drum and the catch basin, inside and outside, has been cleaned to the best of my ability. It's time to reassemble it carefully. Dropping it back on the shaft, grabbing the key, pushing the key back in. Next, I'll wash up the wash plate real quick. Wash plate's cleaned up, that can be reinstalled. So there's an example of how to wash the drum and the catch basin inside and outside, which is really good to do, and really get that hidden grime dug out of there. And there you have it. Now you know how you can clean one of these a little bit better.
Let's